Priya Srinivas from Georgia, Atlanta. Hi, Shri Priya.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. Thanks. Which song are you singing today?
I'm going to be singing the song Dhadak.
Dhadak?
Yeah.
The title track?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. All the
Thank
best.
you.
इतनी मीठी आवाज, इतनी गोल आवाज। अगर आप जतिन सर को डीडीएलजे के वक्त मिल जाते ना, तो आज हम सब आपके गाने गा रहे होते। सर
Thank you so
नहीं,
much.
ये तो कमाल लड़की। देखिए, मैं इसको इसलिए लाइक करता हूँ, इसका मैं सेकंड बार सुना कि ये मुझे लगता है ये साउथ इंडियन है ना? लेकिन इसका डिक्शन करेक्ट है। हाउ इज दिस हैपनिंग? आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड आई ब्रिंग योर पेरेंट्स। आई जस्ट वांट टू congratulate.
May I have parents of Shri Priya on stage, please?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I want to congratulate you, and I even want to you to explain other parents that how do you manage to correct her language, her phonetics, everything is so correct. What is the reason? You please tell. What language do you speak at home and how do you do it?
We speak Kannada and Tamil,
Yeah.
both. And basically, it's more than me. I definitely give a lot of importance to lyrics.
Yeah.
You have to understand the song, the meaning behind it. And mainly my husband, Srinivas,
Yeah.
he's not here. He could not come join us today.
Yeah.
But he always emphasizes on the pronunciation.
Very good.
He corrects every time when he listens to her. So I think that's the most.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, this is what I actually am looking for. You know, she's a South Indian. They speak Kannada at home, but the diction of the daughter is so correct. Because if she wants to pursue this career here in this direction, this fine tuning has to be done. Otherwise, it's useless practice. Even if she gets someone's medal trophy, what is the use of it? If she wants to achieve something seriously, and she can do it because she has the capacity to cash in that quality in you, you have to correct your diction, your way of projecting the words. That is very important. You were doing that, and I'm so happy about it. Fortunately, that you came at the right time where I can show other parents that this is what is needed. It's very important. Thank you, beta. God bless God. Thank you so much, ma'am.
श्री प्रिया, आप जानती हैं कि ग्रैंड मास्टर यहाँ तक चल के किसके लिए आते हैं? Wow! Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shri Priya. That was an amazing performance.